Hello. I'm happy to see you back. Let's start. In this episode, we will learn how to use cleaning tools in the right way. We will use different tools, and we will see the major differences between them. In this menu, you have Spot Healing, Brush Tool. Select it. We will see what this brush do, and how do we use it. This is one of the most used brushes. You can use this brush in various situations. To replace any object, spot, etc., you need to make the size of the brush just a little bit bigger than the size of the spot or object that you want to remove. After that, just click the mouse button and wait for magic to begin. Photoshop has designed a great tool. This brush can easily replace most of the objects. This tool is very easy to use. Strictly on skin retouch, this tool sometimes is not the best option. Let's see why. When it comes to skin retouch, we want to have the perfect skin. We want to keep all texture in place. This brush sometimes it removes texture from the skin. This is not a good thing for us when we speak about skin retouch. For removing small points, hair, etc., you can use it, but using on larger area, it is not the best option. I will reset the image to default, and try a new tool. Now we will select Patch Tool. Let's see, how do we use it? You simply select the spot you want to replace, and move the selection nearby. As you can see, for skin retouch, it does a better job. It keeps most of the texture, but not entirely. The advantage of using this tool is that if it does not keep the entire structure, it keeps the color tone from the image. Keeping color tones on the skin is very important. The main disadvantage is the precision of the selection and is more time consuming. To increase the productivity, you can use a Wacom tablet for editing. Overall, for skin retouch, Patch Tool does a better job. Let's make the same adjustment on that hair, to see how it looks after. As you can see, it is a major difference, it kept all my texture. It is a little bit more difficult to work with, but the results will satisfy you. Now, I will reset the image and try a new tool. This time, we will choose from the menu, Clone Stamp Tool. Many people refuse to work with, because it is a little bit harder to work with. So let's see, how do we use it? Adjust the size of the brush. What this tool does? It is copying anything from one side to the other. Like the name say, clone. So it clones the selected area, to another. First I push button Alt and click. This command will mark this zone as the zone that I want to multiply. Basically what do when I want to remove a spot? I copy texture from a clean part and drag it over the spot.
Look at the sky.
As you can see, this is the best tool used. It entirely keeps the texture, but it takes more time and attention to edit. The results are better but are more time consuming. Now, let's edit that little piece of hair. The final result is almost identical with Patch tool. At the end, after we saw all tools, what do we have? We have Spot Removal, which is the fastest, but has the worst results on texture. We have the Patch tool, which is slower than Spot Removal, but faster than Clone Stamp tool with high-end results. We have the Clone Stamp tool, which has the best result but is the slower one. The answer is simple. Try to mix them, in such a way that in time you will improve speed but also obtain the best results. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.